Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon not taste fishy, full guide. Rinse and pat dry immediately, then trim any dark bloodline with a sharp knife for cleaner flavor. Soak salmon in milk or a lemon water mix for 20 to 30 minutes to neutralize strong oils. Use fresh herbs and a light sear to add aroma and crispness without masking the fish. Choose methods that control heat and preserve moisture to reduce strong fish notes. Bake at moderate temperature to cook evenly without drying, or sear quickly on high heat to create flavorful crusts. For very mild results, poach in a light broth or citrus-infused liquid to infuse delicate flavors and dilute strong oils. Finish with bright elements like chopped herbs, citrus zest, or a light vinaigrette for balance and freshness. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for kitchen duty or outdoor prep. They're durable, comfy, and an amusingly practical gift for cooks who stand a lot. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bright, acidic, and aromatic pairings make salmon taste fresher and less fishy. Squeeze lemon or drizzle a splash of vinegar, or serve with yogurt-based sauces to cut through oiliness. Fresh herbs like dill, scallion, or cilantro lift the profile while ginger and citrus zest add zing. A light glaze of honey and mustard or a thin soy-based sauce adds savory sweet balance without overwhelming the natural salmon flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.